Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to check in Excel how similar the words are? For example, Excel can easily check and tell you how exactly the words are by using the if statements and is equal to signs, but it can't really check how similar the words are with each other. What's their similarity index? And in a data world, we face some kind of scenarios where we have to check how similar the words are. And those words can be your customer names, the websites of the businesses, or even the addresses of the businesses, right? And your goal, let's say, is to remove the duplication across your data. But the data is not quite similar with each other, and you'll have to perform some kind of similarity over there. So this is what we will do in this video. And the challenge is Excel don't really have that function by default available over there. So what we will try to do is I will give you a code which you just need to copy and paste in your new VBA window. And after doing that, you will be able to use that function just like the normal functions which you're using, like sum, min, or max. So we will use a Jaro-Winkler function. And the beauty of this function is it very accurately identify the similarity between two words by flipping the characters or checking how similar the characters are with each other. So that's going to be an interesting activity. Let's jump into my screen and see how that works. All right. So this is the simple data set that we will follow. It's over here in Kaggle. I will attach its link. So it's a simple fuzzy name matching data set. We have two columns over here, name one and name two, and we will have to perform a similarity against these two names to check how similar these names are with each other. And kind of like a real world scenario where we have to perform matching against different fields like name, website, or streets, etc. So I will just download this data set. You can simply download from here, and let me jump on to the Excel. I've actually downloaded that already. So I'll go over here and okay, so I have this data set. It's in CSV file, and I actually need to turn on the developer option, right? So the options which we can see over here, it's a developer option. So let me show you how to turn that on. I'll just go to file and then I will go to options. And after going here, I would need to go to the custom ribbon. And here I just need to make sure I have selected the developer option here, right? So once I check in that, I will have that option appear over there. So I'll just keep it as it is. So this is the developer option. And after clicking over here, I just need to click the Visual Basics, right? And over here, it would give me a sort of you can say this window. And here we can just write down the VBA, the custom VBA functions and formulas that we need to add into our Excel file. So here I will add the Jaro-Winkler formula, the code that I've already built. So let me just copy quickly so that I can paste it over here. And for this, I would need to firstly uh, create a new window. I will go to insert and then I will create or insert a new module. So this is the window, and here I will have to add the code of Jaro-Winkler. So let me just copy and paste over here. I will definitely attach that code as well in the description or in the comment, so you can always refer to it. This is a basic code. We will not go in details, but this is how it will calculate the similarity using the Jaro-Winkler. So I will just save it by pressing control save, or I will just click over here and save that. But it's already saved, so I'll just close it. Okay, and now it has been applied. What I would do now is I would just apply the Jaro-Winkler function as we do the apply the normal functions. For example, I just typed JA and it suggested me Jaro-Winkler. So I will just press tab, and here we actually can provide two arguments. And again, we can apply multiple arguments. We just need to a bit change our code. But here, let's say we apply two arguments, this one, and it will calculate its score, right? So I would accept that. Sorry, I there is a mistake I made. I accidentally pressed uh, dot, but I need to press comma over here. So this is how it would give me the similarity percentage. I will just copy and paste it till the end. So this is how it would give me the uh, similarity between the names, the field we actually used. So let me apply a filter over here and let me sort it. So yeah, as you can see, these names are sort of you can say the uh, equal names, but there was some sort of mistake, you can say, in a clock. This is why it was not exact match. And using the Jaro-Winkler, we were able to identify these are actually the similar names. And in the same way, by going till the end, we can identify, okay, so for example, we have like same names till here or till whatever, and then we can use that threshold and say above that threshold our names are actually similar with some sort of mistake errors. So this is how we can implement that. And one important thing is we actually need to save that file in a macro enabled file. So what I will do is I will go to save as, and after going here I would need to choose the macro enabled file over here. So this is the one with an extension of XLSM. This is how I would save that, and this is how you actually need to save that, and this is how that VBA that we added in the like module like will be there in this workbook. So yeah, that's it, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.